Today's sticky note fact is that the number 4 is the only number with the same number of letters as its value in English. In English, the word for has 4 letters, making it the only number where the word's length matches its value. Pretty cool, right? Fun fact: in many East Asian cultures, the number 4 is considered unlucky because its pronunciation is similar to the word for death. How do you think numbers are special in different cultures? How do numbers help us in our everyday lives? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.